everyone, how are you all? So junior kids, are you all doing good at your home? Very good. Okay, now we are going to have our EVS class. So children, tell me what concept we are learning this month? We are learning about animals. Okay, animals. So we had started the class with the animal habitats, their homes, and then we had learned that animals lives in the forest because they need a perfect place to protect them from enemies. They want a place to store their food, and they want to rear their young ones. Okay, so all this reason makes them to stay in live in jungle or forest. Okay, today we are going to learn about the animals that lives in the desert. Okay, you might be thinking, what is a desert? What is a desert? Kids, there are some places where we can see only sands all the way. If we turn everywhere, we see only sand. The place which is full of sand are called deserts. Okay, the place with full of sand are called desert. Now look at this picture. Can you see the desert? Yes, it is brown in color. Okay, and the brown in color is the sand. The whole place is covered with the sand only. Okay, this is the desert. Okay, this is desert. This is called desert. Okay. So deserts are very hot. It's very hot place with little water. There we don't see much water in the place where there is a desert. Okay. Or there won't be rainfall much in the place of desert. And there are no trees, there are no herbs, no shrubs in the desert. You can't see a single tree in the desert. Okay children, the only plant you see in the desert is the cactus. The most commonly found plant in the desert is the cactus. Okay, these are cactus. Okay, so cactus are usually found in the desert place, and the animal that lives in the desert are brown in color, either light brown or the dark brown, but they are brown in color. Why they are brown in color? Because the deserts are brown and desert is brown in color, and animals are brown in color. They quickly blend with the environment so that they may be protected from the enemies. Okay, if anyone wants to hunt this desert animal, or if any big animal wants to feed on the smaller animals, they quickly blend with the environment so that their enemies couldn't find them easily. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some desert animals. Can you see what animal is in this desert? Very good. They are camels. They are camels. Camels are the most commonly found animal in the desert. Okay, and camels are used to mainly transport purpose. Now look, here is one camel. The camel is also brown in color, and the desert is also brown in color. Okay, and you can see the road runner. A bird, it is called road runner. Can you see the color of the road runner? Yes? Good. This is road runner, a desert animal. Now what is this? It's a rattlesnake. We call it as a rattlesnake, and it is also brown in color. Can you see the color of it? Yes? Good. Next, what's this? It's a coyote. We call it as coyote. Coyote, which is also brown in color. Now, the jackrabbit. Jackrabbit. We call this animal as jackrabbit, which looks like rabbit. Okay. So these are the desert animal. Camel, coyote, rattlesnake, jackrabbit. All these are desert animal. Even we could see some iguanas, desert iguanas in the desert. These are iguana. It is iguana, and it is kangaroo rat. We call it as kangaroo rat. Okay. Now we are going to sing a rhyme. Okay, and the rhyme is The animals in the desert. Animals in the desert. So this rhyme is available in the rhyme book. This is your rhyme book and the rhyme is animal in the desert. Okay, this is the rhyme we are going to sing now. Okay, ready children? Ready to sing with me? What are the desert animal? Jackrabbit. Jackrabbit, how does the jackrabbit goes? Usually rabbit hops. The jackrabbit also hops in the desert. Okay, and next is coyote. Coyote is a kind of a dog that is smaller than a normal average dog. That is smaller than an average dog, and it howls like a wolf. Okay. Then rattlesnake. Rattlesnake, how does the rattlesnake goes? Rattlesnake goes hiss. Okay, and the road runner. The road runner in the desert runs fast like this. Okay. Shall we sing the rhyme? It's very simple rhyme. Okay. The jackrabbit in the desert hops like this. Hops like this. Hops like this. The jackrabbit in the desert hops like this. All night long. Next, coyote. The coyote in the desert hops. Ow, ow, ow. The coyote in the desert hops. Ow, all night long. The rattlesnake in the desert goes hiss, 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 hiss. The rattlesnake in the desert goes hiss, 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 all night long. The roadrunner in the desert runs fast like this, fast like this, fast like this. The roadrunner in the desert runs fast like this, all night long. Isn't that so simple and easy, right? Okay children, so do practice this rhyme. Play this video again and again. Do practice this rhyme, and after that take a video and upload in WhatsApp group. Okay, so today we had learned animals in the desert. Okay children, so until I meet you in the next class, it's your auntie saying bye, take care.